shouting at this point and says, "I'm naming my son that." My mother stares at her, trying to work out what kind of mental gymnastics it takes to decide your choice of baby name gives you the authority to veto someone else's baby name. She says, "So?" Karen then says, "Change your baby's middle name, or I'm going to fire you." She's also drawn a crowd with this whole scene to witness the utter insanity that was her outburst. People who could act as witnesses for my mother if she had attempted such a thing. My mother answers flatly, "I don't think you can do that." Karen stops for a moment, maybe realizing that my mother was right on that point, and once again demands, "Change your baby's name. I chose Ryan first." Ah, yes, calling dibs. Surely my mother would have to respect a grown woman calling dibs on a very common name. My mom finally answers flatly, "Ryan is my maiden name." At this, the woman stops, still furious, sputters for a moment, and finally stomps off. My middle name is Ryan. My mother's boss named her son Dylan instead. Listen guys, I think this is a super common thing to happen. People secretly hold onto baby names so others won't hear it and name their baby that same name. So I've known a few couples to be super protective of their baby name, and not telling a single soul in the world for the fear of someone in their circle of friends taking that name for their baby. It's really odd. To me, a name is just a name. If you want to name your kid Ryan, and I want to name my kid Ryan, I guess there's going to be two Ryans. Is that just me? So, I'm in the middle of my monthly visit to Mama Nature, and realize that I'm all out of sanitary products. I stopped off at my local supermarket before I commuted to uni, so I could stock up, and decided to treat myself to a meal, so I wouldn't have to eat overpriced campus food later. I then paid and left. All normal, right? I decided not to get a carrier bag to save the turtles, but definitely overestimated my ability to carry. Of course I had no pockets, because women's clothes don't have any. So I find myself juggling my phone, my wallet, my car keys, my sandwich, cereal bar, bottled water, and tampons in my two small hands. And of course I'd parked far away from the doors as to minimize interacting with people. So I'm doing this awkward half walk, half jog back to my car, and focusing really hard on not dropping my sandwich. So I don't immediately see that Karen and her small child walking near me. When I do see them, it's because I'm almost walking into them. The conversation goes like this. I said, "Oh, hey, I'm sorry, I didn't see you then." The mother begins to tell me that it's fine and no worries until her beady little eyes lock onto my hands and she stops mid-sentence. She just stares at my hands. Now, my sandwich did look good, so I can't say I blamed her for looking at it first, but I was a little weirded out. I give her a couple of seconds to find her voice, realize she's not going to continue, and politely carry on my voyage to my vehicle. I don't really look at the mom and her son, but I guess at some point they start walking again, in the same direction as me. Well, what do you know? They're the proud owners of the only other car in my carefully selected deserted corner, parked a few spaces away from me. She shouts, hey you shouldn't wave those around, you know. There's a boy here." I responded with, "What?" She then says, Those things you're holding, they're personal items. Get a carrier bag." I look down and finally realize that she's referring to my tampons. Now, maybe it's just me, but I don't really see an issue with carrying my shopping to my car without a bag, even if my shopping is sanitary products. They aren't exactly dirty bags, are they? And I have needs. I kind of just brush it off and carry on, and I hear her say something else with the hub, but couldn't make up the words, so I just carried on with my morning. Now, I get to my car and realize my dilemma. My hands are full, plus I'm locked in the car, and that's a struggle. Being the bulkiest thing I'm holding, I put the tampon box on the roof of my car so I have some room to maneuver my keys and get my door open. I'm merrily doing so when I feel a presence beside me, and then a scrawny clawed arm reaches over my shoulder and snatches my tampons from where they lay. I turn around, and there she is, looking absolutely livid. I asked, "What the hell are you doing?" She screams at me and says, "How dare you? I told you once already, these shouldn't be flaunted around. I have my son right here with me, and he doesn't need to see that." I asked, "See what exactly? A cardboard box?" She then says, "You know what? These are intimate products, and there's children here." At this point, she shoves the box back in my hands and told me to put them away where they belong. Her son, who can't be more than 6, starts to tug at her